Okay, so look, this is what I normally do for like a part-time gig, but I'm gonna end up making it to a full-time later on. But a lot of people really just don't understand how to do this, don't know when the entry is. What you want to do is you want to master resistance and support. Okay, this is the support, which is going to be at the bottom, and the resistance is going to be at the top. Okay, so what I do is I normally figure out, as you can see right here, it's kind of resisting, it's kind of respecting, not going up to the top anymore. It might start going down. But what you want to do is, before you want to start, you want to figure out if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So if it's over this line right here, it's an uptrend. But if it's under this line, which is called the 200 average line, it's a downtrend. So as you can see right here, it's kind of respecting this line right here, but I'm going to get another one and show you. That's the resistance line where that green line is right now. And this is going to be the support because it don't want to go down further than this. The resistance means it don't want to go up further than this. So what I want to do is I want to catch it as close as I can. Since it's going down right now, I want to catch it as close as I can to this support line. And I want to trade up. Now, if it was coming up, and it started respecting where this support line is right here, then what I would do is I would try to catch it as close as possible going up and come down. But mostly I would be looking for an uptrend versus looking for a downtrend. All right. So this is how I normally trade. And a lot of times people kind of get confused at that. And what I do is I just wait. See, like right now, it's trying to get this support. It's kind of supporting right here. So what I would do is I would kind of move my line right here, or then again, I might keep it right here. But this is how I normally find out where I'm going to enter it. All right. So now I'm going to give you something else too. If you're going to use real money, do not, and I mean do not, gamble all your money. Don't be giving these high numbers unless you're just a pro at it. All right. If you're not a pro at it and you still trying to figure out, how to, trying to figure it out and you still losing a lot, don't trade no more than $1. That's the way I would say it. Don't trade no more than $1. All right. So you see right here as it's getting to the support line right here. I wait till it get about close to this. Now, sometimes it'll fake you out. It might go down. But I'm going to get to it like as close as I can to this line. And I'm probably going to try to trade it up. So we're going to go ahead and once it hit it, I'm going to hit up. Now, like I said, again, you want to be careful because sometimes it'll fake you out. So you see how it's going down right now? I mean, it might be going down a little bit further. So I just went on ahead and hit it. Just take a chance. Edit. Because it might end up going down a little bit further for the support. So, but we know it's an uptrend. So that's the reason why I don't want to go down too far. So I'm going to wait on that right there. And I should have did, instead of doing 2 minutes, I should have did 1 minute. So I can go ahead and recover real quick. See, me, sometimes I take chances. I do. But if you're going to really take chances on this like that, don't do it with real money. Okay? Be careful with that. And if you're going to do it with real money, do like $1. I'm telling you, do like $1 or so. So I see it's trying to go back up. Let me move this out the way so y'all can see if it'll let me move it. There we go. So y'all can kind of see. And you can see right here as well. So as you can see, it's up. And it's not doing anything right now. So I might lose all these. And that's the reason why I say you got to be careful about, playing with real money. All right. If you're going to play with real money, you want to kind of be careful. So hopefully it'll go up because it's an uptrend. See, this right here is called the 200 moving average right here where that green line is. See, that's a 200 moving average. See, it's going down right now. So that's why I said, that's why I went on down for 1 minute. to try to see if I can gain my money back. I probably lost that. See, I lost that trade. That's but it was going up though. I lost the up trade and I'm losing the down trade as well. So that's why I say you gotta be. See, that's what I'm saying. It'll fake you out. It'll really fake you out. And that's what I hate. That's really what I hate about it. So what I'm gonna do is this is what I'm gonna do, and I'm kind of comfortable with doing this because I've done it a lot. Excuse me, I've done it a lot. So a lot of times I do like I don't. This is the reason why I don't do 1 minute. I normally do like between 2 and 3 minutes. Okay, because if I do 2 to 3 minutes, then normally I will catch it. So I'm gonna try this one more time right here, and if I lose this right here, I'm done. Period. But I'm just gonna try to see if I can regain my money back, if not more. So it's going up, but see, like I said, it'll fake you out. It'll kind of fake you out, and that's the only thing I really just hate about it. And also, this is another thing I would say too. If you're gonna trade, do it on a computer or something like that, because it's really kind of hard for you to mark your charts and stuff like that when you're doing it on the phone. Okay, because it's not gonna let you really just mark it the way you want to mark it. You see what I'm saying? Like with these marks right here. See, this is the support right here. But when you mark your charts, you can change it, different colors. Like I normally change my colors white, but for some reasons, when it's because I'm on the phone, it's not gonna let me do it. So see, we got 1 more minute so far before it's over. If I would have did it for 1 minute, I would have won it automatically. But it's still pushing up. But because it's pushing up, that's the reason why I went on up. And that's the reason why I say you want to kind of follow the basics. The basics is if it's an uptrend, try to shoot for an uptrend. If it's a downtrend, which is, again, this is the $200 average. You're going to be, if it's shooting down, you want to go down. And that's the reason why I say you kind of want to practice this in the demo. But if you're going to practice it with real money, don't bet no more than $1. Because you'll burn through your whole account. And I burned through my whole account so many times because I'm a risk taker. But that's really a dumb way to play it because you're going to lose all your money. You see what I'm saying? So I got 14 seconds left. So it look like we're going to be getting it, but you got to be careful because sometimes it'll fake you out. And let's see here. We got 3, 2. Yeah, we got this automatically. So that's like, it put me back at like $75. Okay, see, I was at like $60-some at first, but it put me at like $75. But that's how you want to trade. You basically want to look for your support and you want to look for your resistance. All right, this is your resistance, which your resistance is going to be at the top. Your support is going to be at the bottom. And your 200 average is going to tell you what trend you are in. So, again, let's go through these steps to how I do it. Okay, and this is one of the ways you want to kind of practice. If you just practice your support and resistance and what trend you are in, you basically can master this. Okay, you can basically use this to really replace your job. Okay, so again, the first thing you want to do is you want to figure out what trend you are in. Okay, if it's an uptrend, you look at your 200 average. If it's an uptrend, you put it in 200. You're going to go up. You're going to be looking to go up. If it's a downtrend, you're going to be looking to go down. Okay? You look at your 200 average to see if it's going to be, what trend you're in. Then, once you figure that out, you're going to figure out where the support and resistance is. Once you figure out your support and resistance, you're going to trade close to wherever their support is, whatever the resistance is. Okay? Depending on what trend it is. So if it's an uptrend, you're gonna trade close to the support. If it's a downtrend, you're gonna trade close to the resistance. Okay, so a lot of these people might not know, but at the same time, hey, I mean that's cool too. So, but anyway, this is my video. Hopefully y'all understood this right here. And also, again, I normally trade with I trade with stocks and I trade with currencies in case y'all don't know, because everything else, I don't really just do too much of. Also, I don't trade. I trade between 80 and 92%. Anything in the 80s or above, that's what I trade. Okay, a lot of people that tell you it's cool to trade with 70s, which is fine. But if I'm gonna trade this and lose and take a risk, I'm gonna try to be able to make as much as I can. So it ain't no sense in me trading ain't no sense in me trading no trades and nothing like that, and it's not worth it. I just ain't gonna do it. So I'm gonna take one more trade so y'all can see. But I'm just gonna take a chance at this one because it's going down. So I'm gonna do $1.34 because I don't want to lose much. Okay, so what I do is I normally, like I said, you want to trade at the support line or the resistance line. That's guaranteed. But since I'm not guaranteed, I'm just gonna trade low, and I'm gonna see what happens, just so y'all can see something. And I'm gonna do 1 minute this time. A lot of times I don't do 1 minute because on 1 minute, if you do end up doing 1 minute, then it's gonna it can spike you out easily. And you can also catch a few 5-second trades. When you catch a few 5-second trades, you want to make sure that they're even. The wicks. And the wicks are these lines right here. These little thin, skinny lines. These little skinny lines right here. Those are wicks. All right. You want to make sure those wicks are kind of even. And that's one of the easiest ways to do 5-second trades. But you got to, like I said, don't try to do this if you don't know what you're doing. If you're not skilled at this, don't try to do it. Okay, it's gonna give you a headache. I promise you. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna burn through your account real fast. See, since it's okay, so let me try this right here. See, it's right here at this support line right here. So it looks like it's trying to go back up. So what I would do is wait. It might be trying to go back down again. See, it's at this support line though. It's respecting this area. But it might break through though, because it look like it's trying to break through. But what I should have did was I should just waited for a sec. I should have went on ahead and hit it for up. But I was thinking about going for down. But like I said, this is where the main support is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait. And let's see. A lot of times that's what you want to do. You want to kind of wait. Let's see. See, it's going down. So let me try to go down for $1. It ain't but $1.34 right now anyway. But that's what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try it out, and let's see what happens. But I should have did it for 2 minutes. I should have did it for 1 minute. Sorry about the noise in the background. It's the bed I was laying down. But I should have did it for 1 minute. Because 2 minutes is kind of too long for it to be close to the support. So I should have did it for that. And a lot of y'all like, well, why you keep on switching back and forth, back and forth? I'm taking like little risks and stuff like that, but that's fine. But long as I'm not betting real big, I should be okay. Now let's see if I did this $4. See, if I did $4, I should have went back up. You see what I'm saying? You see how it's going back up? That's why I say you got to be careful. So it's going up, and it's at 30-something seconds. And normally that's what happens. They usually do that within like 34 seconds. 30 seconds, that's when it really starts showing you when it started pushing. When it started really moving. So I'm going to do this and I keep doing it for 2 minutes. And I should have did it for 1, but 2 minutes should be able to get that because it's going up. So let's see what happens with this one right here. I already know I lost the first one. The first one's going to be, as you can see at the bottom right here for the EUR/USD going down, which is the red arrow going down. I already know I lost that one. But it was an uptrend anyway, so it makes sense to lose that. I should have been pushing to go up versus going down. But I'm still ahead because I'm $70 over, so I'm still ahead. So we're gonna see what it do with this $4, which is look like it's not doing too good right now. I'm still above, but I'm still losing. Because like I said, that's what happens when you go too fast. You see what I'm saying? That's what happens. You could burn your account like that. So that's why I said that you want to kind of be careful when you're doing this. And know that you're going to lose trades. But the key thing is to win more trades than you lose. That's the thing. And also, you got to kind of let your emotions get out of it. You got to be patient with it. Because if you're not patient with it, and you're not waiting, then you can basically you can lose all your money like that. I have lost thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars doing this, y'all. I'm telling y'all. So that's the reason why I say you got to kind of be patient with this, and you got to leave your emotions out of it. If you feel like that you're getting too emotional, don't trade. Do not trade at all. Stop. Stop, period. See, like this right here, I'm at 13, 12, I'm at 11 seconds. I probably about lost this trade because it's not going up. Wait a minute, it's trying to go up. It's trying to go up there, 2, 1, and I got it. I actually got it, $77. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I said that you got to be careful. See, you see where it respected this area right here? It resisted in this area right here. But the support was right here on this wick. So a lot of times it'll change on you. Sometimes it won't. But you can, once you do it long enough, you can basically tell. Now, you don't want to trade to the point where you get lucky. All right. You want to trade to where you know you are dominating. You see what I'm saying? So that's what you want to predict. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I say that when you're doing this, don't just do this just to be messing around. Okay? Do this and practice it again. If you could just practice the support and the resistance, you'll be just fine. Okay? If you could just practice that, you'll be all right. That'll really determine your entry. Again, the first thing you want to do is identify if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. If this right here is just going straight across, I normally leave it alone if it's going straight across because it's going to be confusing. So that's the reason why I say that. If it's an uptrend, find a way to trade up. Find that support and trade up. If it's a downtrend, then you want to make sure that you trade with the resistance area, close to the resistance line. So, like I said, again, be careful because sometimes it'll fake you out. So you kind of got to be patient with it. And, like I said, that's basically what I can give you on that. But that's how I trade on mine. Find out if it's an uptrend or a downtrend and trade right up under the support and resistance. That's basically how you do it. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't let your emotions get into it. And then just practice it every single day and you'll do just fine. And again, you're going to lose trades. But focus on winning more trades than you're losing. That's all you really have to do. And once you meet your goal, like let's say you got a goal of $100 a day, stop. Once you reach that $100 or even close to $100, stop. Okay? So like if I reach it like $98 or something like that, $99, something like that, I normally stop, or I would probably trade like $1 or $2 or something like that to try to get it up to that 100, and then I'll stop. I won't trade no more than that because that's where you mess up at, and then you're gonna end up getting right back down to where you was at first, where you didn't want to be, and then you mess around, lose all your money. So once you meet your goal, stop. And that's my video. I'm out.